All right, today we are reviewing the Pakt coffee travel kit. Look at that. Congratulations, now great coffee goes wherever you go. Simple enough. All right, obviously it comes in a really cool compact case. It's like kind of hard shell, soft shell situation. Open this up and it's literally all there. All right, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do a bit of a zoom in shot here to kind of take this apart and show you what it's all about. All right, so let's take everything out. So first we have a reusable filter and a scoop for coffee beans. We then have really the rest of it all. We have, you know what, we're gonna put this down for a second. All right, this right here is where your filter goes in. It comes with literally everything you need. A drinking cup, and then inside of that, I guess you don't have to call it a drinking cup, it's just a cup. And then inside of that is somewhere to hold your coffee beans, which I love. Top for the cup. And then this is really what makes it the all-in-one, is a kettle. And this kettle plugs into any 120 volt. We actually have one right down here. All right, now that's good to go. And I'm not just gonna show you what's all here, I'm actually gonna make a cup of coffee right now. As you can probably tell, I don't need one, but I'm gonna make it to show you. First things first, we'll get our water boiling in here. So it's already getting hot. Add the water to the kettle and then probably turn the kettle on. I did it a little backwards. All right, that's more than a cup. Gonna put the top on. While that's getting warm, I'm gonna start to set up our filter. So to conserve space, this actually folds down a bit. So there's a locking mechanism that helps it stay in place, just like so. And now it's ready to be used with the filter. Now you're gonna put this on your cup. You're going to put the filter like so, and then add some coffee grounds. Now we're just going to wait for our water to get to temperature. All right, and we are boiling, so I'm going to turn this off like so, and simply use our kettle to make a nice pour over cup of joe. All right, and just like that, top on, filter off to the side. Cheers. All right, for real though, loved this Pakt coffee kit. Honestly, love the brand as a whole. Even they give you like a how-to guide, their style, their brand, their marketing. It's all great. Very, very impressed with just how compact and how easy this is to use. Again, great for van lifing, amazing for camping, RV, just on-the-go coffee, but really can be used anywhere. Huge fan. Any questions further on how it works or about the Pakt brand, shoot us a comment. We would love to give you any insight we may know. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying these product reviews, and hopefully we have some more coming out soon. Until next time, see you later.